Looking at my physique, you wouldn't think that I really like to eat. Let me tell you something. Parquet Food Truck Festival has a good variety of food trucks to choose from, and they're going to be in Douglas the first Thursdays of May, June, August, and September at the Railroad Interpretive Museum right there in Douglas. You know where it is. Come by, get yourself something to eat. Maybe you can get the physique that I've got. Well, of course it takes a lot more work, but you gotta have a cheater day right. Wanna make it the first Thursday, May, June, August, and September at Douglas Railroad Museum, 5 until 8.